Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show everyone Rubik's Cube patterns. This one is black hole or a dot, see? And then now I'm going to show you the flower. This is the flower. Okay, the next one I'm going to show you is, let me see, two-side see? So this is the regular cube, and if you want to make black hole, is you do, let me see, where is it? Oh, so this is how to make a black hole. Okay, and then if you want to solve this, you do this, and then see. Okay, the next one I'm going to show you is H, and then rocket, and then plus sign, and then headlights, and then four-sided black hole. See, and there is this, and then after you do this, I'll show you one more pattern. This one is the plus sign, two plus signs, and the stripes. See? And then if you don't want, and after this, like snake. And then two dots. The black hole. See? So that's how you can make two black holes, four black holes, or six black holes. The plus sign is two plus sign or four plus sign that I know how to make. And the next one is this. Okay. So, watch, I'll show you. Like the snake is this, and then two dots, two dots. Last time it was this, and then this, but now like here, kind of like here sign. Okay, and then I'll show you another side of snake. And there is another side of snake. And then there's one more thing I'm going to show you. See? See? See two plus sign. And then snake, two head, two edge, then black hole, and see, that's how you make the designs that I know how to make. And yeah, it's fun to make Rubik's Cube designs. If you know how to make more designs, then it would be awesome. And if you know how to make more designs, comment down below and tell me. See, so this is see, this is the same. So let's show you. So plus Z. That's how you see. And then this one is just pretty soft. Yeah, so that's why I love to make designs on Rubik's Cube too, because it is very, very fun. You know, and do this, and then undo this. I show you the That's how you do this. Same thing with here too. Okay. That's a heart. See? Yeah. Comment down below and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.